there's this documentation, you do them burnt, you have to pull out all the individual pieces that you're going to be interacting with.
So last year we released it last year, but the year before that we scanned 6 different scenarios. So we did it 6 times with Jason Dean from West Mids Fire, and he was our advisor for the 6 burns. So we did it 6 times. The guys got extremely dirty, and we spent a lot of time at our facility burning things and putting them out. We also have a sniffer dog that comes in and does the 360 sniff around the scene to see if there was any accelerant used in the scene. It's just a nice little addition for the training guys to see, and 2 out of the 6 have accelerant, so it's cool. And then that software has now been used. We had a user meeting the other day, a user group meeting, where we had, I think it was 6 or 7 different people from different countries of the world all dialed into this call, and we were just discussing how they'd like to add features, what things were beneficial for them. It was really interesting to hear their feedback. But then I guess it leads on to a video I think you've got where we're just about to start testing live multiplayer. So within the River Investigate system, at the moment, the investigators are training people one-on-one in a classroom scenario. But now, as you see from this video, you'll be able to train with other people from anywhere in the world, still in a photorealistic scenario. This is me and Ross making a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
It's good because you can see the environment that we're talking about here, and there's the dog and the burn.
Yeah. Well, I think that's important for like what you're talking about is it's not a simple process. There's this documentation, you do them burnt, you have to pull out all the individual pieces that you're going to be interacting with. You have to, document them somehow with photogrammetry. You have to retopologize them. Basically, for those that don't know, it basically means that you create a mesh structure around this object. You need to simplify it, clean up how it's going to look in terms of the textures that are around it. And then you need to drop it into your software or the way that you're going to repackage all these things so that people can interact with them. So it's not a trivial thing. It is a bit of work. I know somewhat of what's involved and you more than anyone.